You can buy a fully functioning computer right now for less than the cost of a budget smartphone. It literally fits inside the palm of your hand. That sounds like a complete dream for anyone trying to trim down a bulky desk setup or save a few $100. But when a device promises the world for a fraction of the price, my alarm bells start ringing. We are looking at a growing class of tiny, ultra-budget desktop alternatives that have been flooding online retail pages lately. On paper, these little boxes look like an absolute steal. You get modern internal hardware packed into a shell no bigger than a stack of sticky notes. They come equipped with lightning-fast solid-state drives. That means your operating system boots up in seconds rather than minutes. You can plug in two separate monitors at the same time. This turns a tiny corner of your dining table into a real dual-screen workstation. They sip electricity like a small desk lamp instead of chucking power like a traditional tower computer. They easily handle daily chores like scrolling through news feeds and answering mountains of emails. They also stream high-definition videos and manage spreadsheets without breaking a sweat. You might even squeeze out a little bit of casual retro gaming if you keep your performance expectations realistic. Here is where the story gets tricky though. Many of these super cheap mini devices come from brands you have almost certainly never heard of. You will not find years of independent testing for them. There are very few long-term review videos floating around online. That does not instantly mean you are getting scammed. However, it definitely means you need to proceed with extreme caution. If you decide to take the plunge on one of these bargain units, avoid sketchy third-party websites at all costs. Stick strictly to major, reputable marketplaces that offer strong buyer protection and easy return policies. That way, if the hardware dies after 3 weeks, you are protected. You will not end up stuck holding a useless plastic brick. Do not expect this tiny box to replace a heavy-duty workstation or a high-end gaming machine. It will not render massive three-dimensional animation projects. It will quickly fold under intense software workloads. However, your tech needs might be very simple. If you just want a simple device for basic everyday computing, these budget micro desktops offer staggering value. It all comes down to buying smart and double-checking real buyer feedback. Manage your expectations before you hand over your hard-earned credit card details.